LinkedIn issue is this is the token, inspect token. When we come here and paste is here, paste, invalid token show. Sorry, you can, when you again here, then copy this access token and again check in the here. Showing this is wrong token, but token is strictly here. Second, this is the axial token. Again we generate the token, so we are providing all permission. Hello, copy the refresh token. So now again come here and paste the new token, send, same issue. That comes from maybe cookies or anything. So the LinkedIn API that cannot verify. I am facing from today. In the past I have solved it the different method, which is working fine for this page where I have already works fine. LinkedIn, where my API is working fine and post is successfully done. So here is my post. This I post from the API. Sec. So I am facing the new implement, so I need to wait to be how to solve this. Thank you.